I talked to her on the phone this morning. I could hear the LP leak detector chirping in the background, so the batteries are dying also. So whatever's going on with the power is affecting the converter. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, working on this little mini Winnie back here. We are in Patriot Point RV / mobile home park. People say, pan around the park a little bit. Okay, here you go. We'll pan around the park a little bit. It's a nice place. It's quiet, other than, road noise. But it seems to be a nice place. A lot of campers in there. Way more campers than there are mobile homes anymore. What's going on with this one? Lady called yesterday and said that none of her outlets were working. And she reset the GFCI in the bathroom, and they worked for 15 or 20 minutes, and then they quit working, and then it wouldn't reset. So I couldn't get here yesterday, but I'm here first thing this morning. I talked to her on the phone this morning. I could hear the LP leak detector chirping in the background. So I think she said the check light was on the refrigerator. So it tells me the batteries are dying also. So whatever's going on with the power is affecting the converter. I just told you how quiet this place was, and something going on over. So yeah, I haven't done anything yet. Just got here, and let's go in here and access the no, we're going to start checking outlets first, but then we'll probably access the power distribution panel, start checking power there, and while I'm trying to figure out what's going on over here, see if I need to hunker down or weapon up or whatever. I guess it's okay. First thing I'm going to do is get this tester out and actually test the we have no display on the microwave. She did tell me the microwave was working, but there's no display on that microwave. You can hear the LP leak detector chirping. No, we got nothing on the microwave. So then I assume we're not going to have anything on any of the outlets. No, of course not. Let's see if the GFCI will reset. Which one of those is test and which one's reset? I think that is reset. These things are hard to do with your fingers sometimes. That should be test. Yeah. Oh, I think we got to go right here. Let me get that cover off. Let's go out here and make sure this thing is plugged in first. Good grief. Because, like I say, she told me yesterday that the microwave worked. Alright. We are plugged into a 30 amp receptacle. Let's go right there. Well, there's a 50, 100, and 220s. I'm assuming these are the 220s. Yep. So this is supposed to be a 50 amp service. Oh, it is. Okay, she had a 50 to 30 adapter here. So let's do this. Let's run in here and see if that made any difference. There's LED lights on the shore cord. They're not on. So, what the heck? Well, this may be easy peasy, because apparently we have no power going in the coach. Yep. No display on the microwave. So, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go in the campground pedestal. We're gonna break every law known to mankind today. Y'all, no, a lot of y'all freak out when I go into a pedestal in a campground. You tell me that I just broke every electrical law on the planet, and I'm going to be liable for the whole electricity in the whole park, blah blah blah. Do you know what? This lady would like to have her stuff in her camper work, and we're going to try our best to make that happen today. So y'all just take a chill pill. Let's start off with breaking law number 1. We're going to open a pedestal. There are like master panels in this park, I think across the road. I have run across in this park, somebody flipped one of those, flipped a breaker off over there at the master panels before, by, you know, kids just fooling around, or just somebody makes a mistake. I don't know how that happens. Let's see if we have any power in this pedestal at all. Put our meter on the AC scale. Set it right there. Catch our ground. Catch our ground. Okay. Let's go right to the... Okay, we got power coming in. Alright, the pedestal has power. This is our 50 amp right here. I got 80 volts. Got 125 volts. So that breaker's bad. So I done flipped that breaker on and off. Feels a little bit funny. 80 and 124. So one side of this breaker is bad. Awesome. Okay. Well, now that is where I'm going to stop in this pedestal. I'm not changing the breaker. I'll get a 30 to 15 adapter, plug her into one of these 20 amp outlets. It's cool here. She's not going to run her air conditioner until the park can get over here and change that breaker. So let me go grab because she's reduced from or no, I have to go, yeah, unplug her 50 to 30, plug a 30 to 15 in, and plug her in one of these outlets here. So let me go do that. Be right back. Just gotta go grab a adapter. Okay, I got my 30 to 15 adapter. Let's plug into one of these. Hopefully I can get on that one. Kind of deep back in there. Yeah. Maybe. It tripped the, this is a GFCI breaker. It immediately tripped that breaker. That's awesome. Let's try this one. It's already tripped. it won't reset. It won't reset. That one's reset. Let's see what happens this time. Immediately. Don't even get it started to plug in, and it trips it. So what does that mean? It means she probably has some kind of ground fault in the camper. That's not what messed up the breaker, but man, we'll try unplugging this breaker and plug it back in. Make sure it hasn't just had instead of an internal failure, just make sure it didn't have a bad connection. Where the breaker plugs into the panel. There's the top one. Oh, we only got 10 volts now. It got worse. Let's try from neutral, just for grins and giggles. 11 volts, 124 volts. Okay, we're gonna have to see if we can get a hold of the people that run this park. Maybe they got a maintenance guy close. Yeah, I don't know. Let me figure out what we're gonna do, and then I'll bring you back. Now, I did do something that I didn't really want to do, but I mean, this lady's just, her fridge is full of food, her dogs are cold, so I didn't have a 50 amp breaker, but I had a 30. So I've already installed it. Let's see what it looks like. I have 120 on one leg, 125 on the other leg, 125 on each leg. So that should cure all of her problems. Let me plug her back in. Make sure her neutral's good before I plug her camper back in. I mean, I haven't fooled with the neutral, but yeah, 125, 124, both legs. It's a good deal. Let's plug her in and see how things look inside now. Her air conditioner's on. Let's go inside and see what's going on now. Yeah, find the thermostat, cut that air conditioner off. Since the dogs are freezing to death. Oh, here we are. I don't think we need. Oh, it was just on fan. Oh, well, let's see. Let's start right here. We'll start with the GFI. Alright, we got no power on the GFI. Let's see if it will reset. What are y'all looking at? I better working on the GFI. I don't even know where y'all looking. Okay, it reset. We have 124 volts on the GFCI. We have a display on the microwave. I can hear the fan in the converter. So it's converting. The LP leak detector has stopped chirping. Let's turn the refrigerator off. Turn it back on. The check light should go away. And all is good in the world here at Patriot Point RV / mobile home park. So yeah, the campground needs to replace that 50 amp breaker. But I got her going. Not what I expected to find today. And yes, I know, I have broken every law in America today. But I got the lady going. This little Roy knows how long. We tried to call the guy that takes care of the park. Got his voicemail. You know, is he out of town? He might be back till next week. We don't know, but I got her going. So y'all get going. Get down in that comment section. Let me know what an outlaw that I am. And I probably got to go fix 2 more today. So y'all have a fantastic day.